Anya, and today we want to make some carrot cake cookies. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl, combine 1 cup and 3 tablespoons of flour, a half a teaspoon baking soda, a half a teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt, a half a cup of oats, a half a cup of coconut. Mix until everything is well combined. Set aside. In a bowl, cream together 115 grams of cubed butter, half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of packed brown sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add in 2 1/3 cup of grated carrot. Mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients in 2 batches. Mix until well combined. Place the dough in the fridge for 30 minutes just to firm up. Scoop balls of mixture onto a cookie sheet and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 9 to 11 minutes. In a bowl, cream together 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese until light and fluffy. Gradually add 1 1/2 cups of icing sugar, add in a half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix until well combined. Drizzle on top of each cookie, and ta-da, you have carrot cake cookies.